In today's video, we're diving into my honest review of Cuttlebelle, a website builder that's been gaining attention for its ease of use and unique features. Whether you're looking to create a portfolio, an online store, or just a personal blog, Cuttlebelle offers a variety of tools that cater to different needs. I'll take you step by step through the platform, showing you how the interface works, how easy it is to get started, and what features stand out. When you first sign up for Cuttlebelle, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The setup process is smooth, and you don't need any technical skills to get started. You can choose from various templates or start from scratch, which is great if you want full control over the design of your site. I'll walk you through the different customization options available, so you can see how flexible the platform really is. The drag-and-drop editor is one of the best features. It's super responsive and easy to use, so if you're someone who's never built a website before, you won't feel overwhelmed. Adding new sections, changing text, or swapping out images is seamless. Cuttlebelle also offers a range of widgets and plugins to integrate social media, e-commerce features, and contact forms directly into your site. Let's talk about pricing next. Cuttlebelle offers several pricing tiers, each with varying features, including a free plan to get you started. However, if you want to access more advanced features, like custom domains and additional storage, you'll need to upgrade. I'll go into more detail on what's included in each plan, so you can make an informed decision about which one is best for you. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so after you finish watching, be sure to check them out. One of the things I appreciate about Cuttlebelle is its customer support. Whether you need help troubleshooting or just have a general question, they're quick to respond and offer detailed solutions. This makes the whole experience much smoother, especially for beginners. Another thing to note is that Cuttlebelle's platform is mobile responsive, meaning your website will automatically adjust to look great on smartphones and tablets. This is crucial in today's mobile-first world. To wrap things up, Cuttlebelle is a solid choice if you're looking for a beginner-friendly website builder with plenty of customization options. It's not the most feature-packed platform on the market, but it does the job well for most users, especially those who are just getting started with website creation. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews like this one.